So I want to show you something. Let's flip this real quick. So you see this list of some of the leaders, right? Look at the laggards. I'm going to let the watch list talk for itself. Watch this. There's the laggards. All right. As you look at this, look at the types of stocks. Look at the recommendations. What's the first thing you see? A lot of holds. You got now a couple of sells. Only one buy. Only one buy in that whole list of the laggards. These were the stocks across the Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ that were the laggards for the year. These are the stocks that if you do own, keep your eyes on them. I'm going to show you something else. Let's use the power of the software and the indicators. Remember that indicator that looks to see if the stock's in an uptrend or not? How about almost half the stocks have an RT below 1? These stocks that you're looking at right here, Boeing, Expedia, Macerix, TripAdvisor, a Biomed, Fossil, are all in downtrends. Not only are they in downtrends, a couple of them are sell recommendations. Holy smokes. So we're looking at some of the stocks that were the best. Now we're looking at some of the stocks that were the worst. And why were they the worst? Look at these earnings growth rates. More of them are negative earnings growth rates. Now, there is a company here, Expedia, has an earnings growth rate of 21% a year. How about we also have TripAdvisor, 23% per year. But these stocks right now are, the safety of the stock is not there. The stock's in a downtrend. The stock does have good upside potential. But you know something? There's a bad time to be in a stock that you want to hold long term. Long term, I'd like to hold TripAdvisor. But the safety telling me that the stock most likely is going to miss earnings. The timing tells me the stock's in a downtrend. The stock has got a sell recommendation. So even though the earnings growth rate is nice, look at the other information that we give you to make a better decision. So somebody on TV can tell you, man, TripAdvisor is a good stock you want to hold long term. Yeah, not yet. The good thing is the stock is undervalued, but it's not a safe stock. It's a more risky stock. The stock is going down in price because RT tells me that the RT is below 1. Stock's going down and it is a sell recommendation. Well, what about this other stock, Glenn, that's got a 21% earnings growth rate? Expedia.com. All right, stock is undervalued. That's a good thing. Good upside potential. 1.46 on RV. Oh, relative safety is okay because it's above the value of 1. But what's the biggest thing hurting the stock? The stock's in a downtrend right now. Not in a deep downtrend, but it is a downtrend nonetheless. So no matter what anybody tells you on TV, well, the stock is trading this, that, and another thing, and it's a great buy. Well, it's got good upside potential, but not the right time to be in the stock. Does this all make sense to you as well, folks? All right, type a yes in the room. Because I don't care what anybody tells you on TV, this is where you will make or not make money. This is the information behind the software to help you to make the better decisions. Does everybody agree? Yes or no? Yes or no? I'm very interested to know. All right? This is what makes the difference between what somebody on TV, Joey can whisper in my ear and say, hey, Glenn, go buy that stock. I'm going to take this stock that Joey gives me, I'm going to put it into a watch list. And you know, when you can look at the watch list, just look at the laggards, look at the recommendations of the laggards compared to the leaders. How quickly can I discern which stocks really are the best? And you know, that's why the leaders are the leaders and the laggards are the laggards. I don't care what stock you invest in, folks. Put them into a VectorVest watch list. And you know what's going to happen? The software is going to tell you what you need to know. It ain't going to tell you what you want to hear. And you got to get over that. You got to get over that. And if you get pissed off because well, I know that the stock, all right, you know what you know, then go with it. And if you know what you know, then go with it. What I'm trying to help you with a vision this year, remember 2020, that good vision, we want to help you with that vision this year. Put that to the side. Put your ego to the side and say, you know, yeah, I know what that stuff, blah, 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 blah. Let the power of the software save you. All right? Let the power of the software save you. You know that women make better investors than men? You know why? Because we're born with egos. And we're afraid. And we don't like to admit when we're wrong. The software is going to tell it to you down and dirty. Whether you want to hear it or not, The software is going to give you the scoop, the skinny on the stock. Let it help you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.